Welcome back, Swifties. Taylor Swift's Eras Tour continues to mesmerize fans worldwide. And the recent show at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, had everyone on the edge of their seats. In a moment that caught everyone's attention, Taylor Swift appeared to be gasping for air during Friday night's spectacular performance. As a recent tragedy happened, she was very alive to that fact. The energy in the venue was electric as fans witnessed the side of Taylor's raw emotion and dedication to delivering an unforgettable show. Despite the intense moment, fans couldn't help but shower Taylor with praise for her incredible performance. Swifties were quick to commend her resilience and commitment to giving her all on stage and care for fans as well, making the Rio show a memorable experience for everyone in attendance. Social media erupted with admiration for Taylor, with fans expressing their awe at her ability to captivate audience with every song. From the soaring vocals to the emotional connection she establishes, it's clear that Taylor Swift continues to be at the top of her game. As the Eras Tour journey unfolds, Taylor Swift proves time and again why she is an icon in the music industry. The Rio de Janeiro show stands as a testament to her unwavering dedication, leaving fans breathless and eagerly anticipating the next chapter of this extraordinary tour. Alright, guys, that's all for now. We'll be back with more news for you all. Till then, stay tuned, stay fabulous, and stay subscribed as well. Thank you.